Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn another instruction of PIC18F microcontroller, and this is also related with what we have already started, auto increment option, which is available for files like register, right? So auto increment options we are discussing, and in this video we are discussing pre-increment auto increment option. So let's go to examples so that we will understand this auto increment option and how this pre-increment option works for any file register. In this video tutorial, we are just considering FSR 0, but of course this is pre-increment n. That means it can be pre-increment 0 for FSR 0. It can be pre-increment 1 for FSR 1. And similarly, it can also be pre-increment 2 for FSR 2 register, right? So in this example, we are just considering FSR 0 as an example. Let's say FSR 0 in total, if you see FSR 0H is 00 hex, FSR 00L, FSR 0L is 01 hex. So you can see that you can say that FSR 0 in total is having address of 01 hex, which is pointing to this specific address, right? So that means FSR 0 is currently pointing to this file register address whose content is 26 hex. And now we want to use this pre-increment option. Let's say I'm gonna use a file, uh, let's say increment file, right? I want to increment in the file register which is pointed by FSR 0, and I'm gonna use pre-increment 0. 0 is indicating that we are referring toward FSR 0. So what is going to happen, since this pre-increment 0 is auto increment option which is available only for files like register, so this 0 refers to FSR 0. FSR 0 is currently holding this address 001. That means this 001 will have some effect, or the address will have some effect. That means what is going to happen, first of all you will increment it. Okay, so if address is going to increment, so it will point to what, it will point to 002, this one, right? So this value which is currently 01 hex, it will become 02 hex, or let me modify it, it will become what, 02 hex, and FSR 0 value will become what, FSR 0 will point to 02 hex. That means increment is already done and FSR 0 is now pointing 002 hex. Now the function which is to be done, which is INCF, which means increment file. So that means this register value will be incremented. So this is now 3F. So it will become what, 40, which is the next hexadecimal value. So this is how this increment or this pre-increment 0 function will work, right? Let's say I want to give another example. Let's say we want to make move, or let's say set F pre-increment 0. So again, FSR 0 content is currently what, 02 hex. So first of all it will increment, so the FSR 0 value will become what, 003 hex, or simply FSR 0 will point to what, 003 hex. That means whatever the function of the instruction, it will perform in 03 hex. So what is the function, setf? Setf means now FSR is pointing to this address 03 hex. So this value will be set. That means this file will have uh, 1 in every bit. So if it is going to be 1 in every bit, we know that if every bit is going to be set, so this become 4 times 1 and 4 times 1 in hexadecimal, it will be FF hex. So the content of 003 hex would become what, FF hex. So this is how this pre-increment auto increment option works for file register 0. You can use any of the file register. I'm just using FSR 0 in this example program. I hope you have understand this pre-increment auto increment option of file register available in PIC18F microcontroller. Still, if you have any confusion or question related to this pre-increment option, you can post your queries and questions in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.